Good morning from here in Taguig, Manila, and today we're off to see the Venice Grand Canal Mall. Good afternoon from the Venice Grand Canal Mall in Manila. I've heard so much about this place, I want to go inside and see what it's like. It's an Italian-inspired mall here in the Philippines and I am starving, so let's go get some food. Wow, this is such a beautiful mall. It's really nice. The architecture is amazing. It's by far the fanciest mall I've seen in the Philippines. There's actually a canal embedded within the mall where you can take a gondola around. I'm probably not going to do that today because it will probably be a little bit expensive, but it looks very fun to do. I love that they've got all these like high-end, well-known international brands, but the signage for all the brands is in the traditional style as well, which is really cool to see. It really adds to the aesthetic of the place. Could honestly hang out here all day taking lots of footage of stuff, but I am starving, so let's go try and find some food somewhere. There's a lot of places to eat here, there's a lot of restaurants, so I think I'm just going to go cheap and cheerful just now because I think it might be a bit more expensive in some of these higher end restaurants. So I think there's a food court kind of area over this way. I'm just going to go check that out, see if I can pick up something cheap and cheerful. It's Sobra mainit lalabas, so I'm going to go inside to this food hall because I desperately need some AC, and I have spotted a Dairy Queen upstairs, which I think is a place that does like milkshakes, so yeah, I'm going to get a milkshake. Coming inside was a good shout. I'm really appreciating the air conditioning here, it's so hot outside. But yeah, they've got even more, lots of little like smaller food stalls in this food court, so I'm going to go get something there I think. That please, spaghetti and meatball pop. Opo. So I ended up going for some Italian food. This must have been the mall's inspiration, and I've gone for spaghetti and meatballs with some garlic bread. So yeah, it looks delicious, but it's just from one of these wee food stalls here in the food court in the mall. Craving this all day. I've not had a Dairy Queen since my last vacation to the Philippines, actually years and years ago, and this is going to hit the spot. It's very hot, very sweaty, so yeah, let's try this. That's delicious, so thick, Oreo milkshake. They literally just blend the ice cream and chuck some cream on top of it. It's lovely. Ah, so nice. I'm just going to take a rest here and sit and enjoy this. I might actually try to go live on TikTok here, but I am on the mall's free Wi-Fi, so I'm not sure it'll be good enough. But we can give it a go, see if we can connect, see if the quality is good enough. If you type a comment now, you might make it into the YouTube video. These people are my TikTok friends. Follow me on TikTok. Okay, so I've just discovered a whole new area of this mall that I did not realise existed. It's like basically a town square type thing. It's follow signs for pigeon feeding, which I didn't really tend to follow the signs for, but this is obviously the area where you can buy seed for the pigeons and sit and feed them and all that kind of stuff. There's a little train going about, which is cool. generally very grey in Manila today, but there is blue sky right above us, so it is trying to come through. I should probably have sun cream on actually, but yeah, I didn't bother. Okay, so we finished with TikTok Live. I've had our milkshake, so I think I'm going to end this video here today. This mall is really, really stunning, so if you're in Manila and you get a chance to visit here, you definitely should. Very beautiful architecture, lots of places to eat. It's pretty much a food place. There's not much in the way of actual shops, but very nice just to come chill here for a bit of time and relax a bit.